My heart belongs to Jilcy, my lungs belong to Craw, my legs are best on Rintles Point, my spleen along the shore, my lower intestinal tract I leave to Dufers Hill, but my heart belongs to Jilcy.